Hi, today we are going to learn about identifying the meaning of mean, median, and mode. Let's first of all understand mean, median, and mode. Mean means the average, the sum of a set of data divided by the number of data. Do not round your answer unless directed to do so. Now, it means that mean, we can say mean is also given by sum of observations, total observations of any given data divided by the total number of observations of that given data. Median means the middle value or the mean of median of two values. Middle value when n is odd. N means the total number of observations. And middle of two values is when n is even. When the data is arranged in numerical order means it should be in ascending order. Think of a median being in the middle of a highway. Like you can say this is a number line, this is the median which divides it into two parts. Like 0 we can say in a number line. This is positive infinity, this is negative infinity. Then mode, the value, number that appears the most. It is possible to have more than one mode, and it is possible to have no mode. If there is no mode, write no mode, do not write 0. So, the value which is occurring most frequently in the data set, which appears the maximum number of times in the data set, it is called our mode. So, let's look at the problems now. Solve. The mean of a set of numbers is 198. What does that mean? Now, mean as we discussed is given by sum of observations of the given data set divided by the total number of observations of that given data set. So let's look at the answer options. A, 50% of the data is more than 198 and 50% is less than 198. No, we cannot say this by the mean of definition of mean. The spread of the data from the highest to the lowest is 198. We also cannot comment on the spread of the data from the highest to the lowest by the sum and the total number of observations. The number that appears the most often is 198. This is the mode actually. This is not the mean. What would you expect to get on average is 198. Now, average is the word which is related to the mean. Mean is actually also known as the average. So we can say D option is our answer. What do you expect to get on average is 198. Next problem. Solve. The mode of a set of numbers is 131. What does that mean? A. What would you expect to get on average is 131. This is mean. The number that appears the most often is 131. This means the mode. Mode is the maximum number, a number occurring the maximum number of times in a data set. So the mode of a set of numbers is 131 means the 131 appears most often in the data set. So we can say B option is our answer. Next problem. Solve. The median of a set of numbers is 137. What does that mean? Now median means the middle value. Median means the middle value. Let's look at the answer options. A. What would you expect to get on average is 137. This is mean. The number that appears most often is 137 is known as mode. 50% of the data is more than 137 and 50% is less than 137. Now 50% means half, right? And when we talk about the middle value, it is 50% lying in the middle of the data set means 50%, half of the values should be on the left hand side of the 137 and half of the values should be on the right hand side of the 137. So we can say C option is our answer. that 50% of the data is more than 137 and 50% is less than 137. That is meant by median. So I hope you can practice more problems on identifying the meaning of mean, median and mode. Thank you for watching. Have a great day. Bye bye.